Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to TruckOrTrack.com. Super Kyle is finishing up the last thing we've got to do on the truck. He is, we had a lock issue and he's finishing up. And I almost feel like I've been on a 3-day drunk working on this thing, because I know Kyle's got to be exhausted. Kyle, are you tired?
Yes.
Kyle's tired. I'm tired. This truck has been nothing but a monster. And we're gonna walk around this truck to show you all the things we've done to it, because the guy is actually gonna come and pick it up here in about half an hour. Word to the wise, just FYI, if you ever order a brand new truck and you're in that big a hurry for it, I feel like we do a great job and our guys work hard and we put all of our effort into it, but you cannot do the best job you could possibly do with somebody's foot on your throat. I mean, you just can't, because I wish we could have done some things differently, but the amount of work that went into this truck, and this guy has called every day. He either calls me or the truck dealer daily, back and forth and back and forth, and you're just never going to get the level of craftsmanship that you want when you're like that. Also, he is going to pick this up from us. Usually when a truck is done here, we usually have a runner pick it up and they take it back to the dealership and it gets detailed. This dude doesn't want it detailed. He just wants it. So we're truck upfitters. Yes, we'll give it a bath and everything like that, but we're not a detail company, and I would probably, the amount of money this guy's spending, I wouldn't want it detailed. Just saying, just saying. So, with further ado, if Kyle's okay with it, I'm gonna start turning on a whole lot of lights. Kyle, you good with it?
I don't care.
Kyle says blow it up. I feel it. So I'm gonna, Kyle, do I need to start it or do I just need to?
I would probably start it.
Okay, Kyle says we need to start it because it's gonna kill all the batteries. And we've actually had to add a third battery to this truck. So we'll start with starting up the truck and we'll make our way from there. I'm just gonna stick my leg in here and hit the start button and light her up. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the go lights. Just have to listen to the truck hum a little bit. It's pretty quiet. So, on the go lights, on the switch, if you will notice, we have them both right now in a sync, which is awesome. So both of the go lights are working at the same time. Okay, so if you want to go and you just want to make one work, you hit the control button, right, Kyle?
Hold it until either the top light flashes or the bottom light flashes.
Okay, so you hit those buttons. If you hit home, they're right here, they go back to home, which is sweet. And then you hold down on 1 or 2, Kyle?
Yeah, hold down 1 and 2. That's both. Now keep holding. Now it's the second one. You hold it, keep holding, it'll go to the first one. There you go.
Okay. So you can actually pick which go light works. So you can make them both work, or you can make one work or the other side all off one go light controller. And these bad boys are bright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the home button, goes back in the home position, and I'm gonna turn it off. So everything is done right here with this wireless remote. One remote works 2 go lights. Pretty cool, I gotta say. Okay, looking around at the truck, checking it out. I really do not like that toolbox being up there, but you know, what are you gonna do? It's not my truck. Just saying. Okay, so I know that's 1. I'm gonna flip over to 2. Okay. All right. So I turned the power off, got that all done. Go lights are a go. All right, let's move on to the next thing. So auxiliary 1 is gonna run most of your warning lights. Now, in the beginning video, I said we were gonna put 8 in the front. We actually did not have room to run the 8. We went with 6. So we've got 6 lights in the front, which is awesome, pretty awesome. And then in the back, we step that up to, I think it's 10. So So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we actually have 10 of those in the back, 6 in the front, and now we're gonna start with the rack. Steve's walking around like he's got a question. Do you have a question, Steve? Okay, so now we're gonna take the buyer's controller and we're gonna turn this on. This is all remote control. So you can do cruise, which will keep the lights on all the time. You can hit next, it will do directionals. This thing is really cool. You can do daytime, you can do nighttime. That thing will do anything. You do like a weird takedown, right alley, I don't know what that does, but left alley, and then we go back to next, and then all the lighting. So this guy has got 6 lights in the front, 10 lights in the back, and a full light bar. And all he's got to do is hit his auxiliary to light up the general mosto, and then he's got a remote control to do the rest. So he's got all that wired in. Looks fantastic. The bulkhead looks good. Everything looks nice. Stand up here in the front. Oh, I got the... Okay, so I just turned on the front bar. Set back. Now, here's what I'm gonna do. I always get in a big old hurry, I get excited, I feel like Tommy Boy. And I'm gonna take a second, I'm gonna walk away, I'm gonna play a little music, and I'm gonna give you guys time to hit the subscribe button or comment. We're not done, but I'm just gonna take a minute. So hit the subscribe button, hit the comment, hit the like. So I'm gonna step away, play a little music, and you guys check it out. All right, hold the phone, hold up. I know I just broke into this video and I know I'm not at the shop. So I want to take a minute and answer a few questions about the video we're doing. And yes, I'm at home right now where it's a little bit more peaceful than being at the office. When you're at the office, the phones are ringing, TruckOrTrack emails are coming in constantly, building trucks is happening all the time. And I feel like sometimes I get in a huge hurry. Matter of fact, I can't even edit at the office because I just don't have enough time. So I want to take a few minutes and answer a few questions right in the middle of this video to help, I don't know, to make it a little bit easier to follow. So we did order that body from Dakota, and that was a heavy duty, and it was a custom body. We added some stuff to that body, you know, heavy duty tops. We brought it in primer, the headache rack, a whole lot of custom features. Dakota had a few shutdowns through the process. So what that meant was if a company like that shuts down for 2 weeks, I mean, it really is like 3 weeks. So having 2 of those shutdowns, it really cost us about 6 weeks in that build. So we had the truck the whole time, and it made it hard because we have to have the body. It's kind of the foundation, like building a house. You've got to put the brick and stuff down or you can't do anything. So, you know, adding the lights, doing the line X, the toolbox actually already came inside. The hitch in the back, the winch bumper, the winch. We put the winch bumper and the winch on. And to be honest with you, looking back on that, I wish we had done a different style of winch and winch bumper. How did the drop-off go? It went bad. The customer asked me in the drop-off, he said, what do you not like about the truck? And I'm gonna be quite honest with you. If you ask me that question, I'm gonna shoot you straight. I said, hey, I don't like the paint. It didn't turn out very good. I said, I don't like it doesn't have any steps on it. And there were a couple other little things, a couple little alignment issues. And he jumped right on it. And I get it. I mean, he started looking at the paint really heavily, you know, really getting his eye on it. And he saw some of the imperfections in it too. Now, of course, we're gonna fix all those things. Matter of fact, that truck's gonna come back in our shop here in just a few days, and we're gonna fix everything. You know, it's not about the sale, it's about the service after the sale. So if somebody has a problem or a question, we're definitely gonna take care of them. Just like on TruckOrTrack.com. If you ever have a problem with something, we're gonna take care of it after the sale. I just wanted to shoot this in the middle of this video because there was a couple things like, where did the body come from? You know, yes, we did order from Dakota, and it did take a long time for it to come in. Were we behind on the job? Yes. Waiting for the body really put us way behind, and I don't know, I felt bad. I mean, it's just part of it, and we do a quality job on every job, and we work hard, but when you're under the gun and somebody's calling you every single day, sometimes 2 times a day, it makes it tough. I mean, it does. I mean, you just want to get it done. You want to push it out the door. Did we cut any corners? No. You know, one thing too, on the wiring, we did such a clean job on that deal. We ran all the wiring, we hit it all. It made it look like we didn't do anything in the lighting because it was so clean. I mean, there was not a wire exposed anywhere on that truck. So I'm glad the truck build is over. We've got another video coming up where I'm going to do some undercarriage on the next one, but I'll be honest with you, we're going to bring that truck back in, and I may shoot a little bit of video. We'll call that like a part 3, fixing it up. So anyway, I'm going to jump back into the video. You guys keep liking and sharing. I'm sorry I just busted in, but I may do this a little bit more because sometimes I get wild and crazy at the office and I can't talk. So hey, we're jumping back in the video. Hey, you guys keep liking, you keep sharing, keep watching these videos. We love you guys, part of the TruckOrTrack Nation. So anyway, back to all right, guys, so I gave you a couple, I don't know, maybe a minute there of video time to go and like and share. So let's go over this truck really quickly, everything we did. So we did a bar on top, we did 2 go lights, which are synced together, and 1 remote works both. We did a really cool back rack or headache rack in the back that came from Dakota. We did lighting, custom lighting out the wazoo in the back. We did custom lighting in the front. We did a winch bumper and bumper. And then we did a 5,000 watt inverter over in the side. Now the 5,000 watt inverter,
I'm showing how the claw works.
Steve's been playing the claw machine at Walmart, and he's trying to show Kyle how to do it. Anyway, and we put a 5,000 watt inverter in there. Now, one thing about a 5,000 watt inverter is that it needs an extra battery, so we had to put a third battery in the truck. This truck also came with auto locking system, which Kyle is working on right now. It came with Steve's cutting wires. That's gonna be good. The guy's supposed to be here in 15 minutes. Steve's cutting wires. So I may try to like covertly film the pickup. I don't know how that would go, but I don't know if the guy wants to be on film. That's the other thing too. This bed came with a remote control system, so he can lock and unlock all the cabinets and everything on the go. So as you can tell, all this is wired in. It came with 500-pound per drawer toolboxes. It came with the liner right here. It came with the undercoating. I mean, this thing came with everything on the planet. The paint on it, it's okay. We had it painted in a hurry. We do not paint stuff here. We do Linexing, but as far as painting, we don't paint. I mean, in this facility, that's not a good thing to do. Just too much dust and wind, and there's equipment stuff rolling in out here all the time. So, you guys, hopefully you're liking this video. We appreciate all the likes and shares. We've been busy. I'll try to get more videos and stuff out. Apparently, everybody's getting candies, peppermint candies, and I'm not getting any peppermint. Cinnamon candies.
Oh, Ty, we love you. Here you go.
Oh man, look at that, cinnamon candy for me. So everything's looking good. You guys keep liking and sharing. We put a lot of stuff on this truck. I probably would have put some steps on it.
It's really tall.
It's really tall, and there's no steps. But hey, we're in a hurry. We're under the gun. The guy wants his truck. It's going to be done, and he's going to pick it up here in 15 minutes. Like I said, I may try to covertly do a little video of him picking it up. It could go good, could go bad. So hey, keep liking, sharing, keep hanging in there. Remember, if you're not tearing it up, you're not trying hard. So we dropped a pin in the door because on the door there's like a pin mechanism for the locking thing, and we dropped it in there. So I'm gonna film me and Kyle taking this door off. Could go good, could go bad. Guy's gonna be here in 10 minutes. Yeah, nothing like last minute, you know what I'm saying? We were gonna watch it, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I think we're gonna spend 10 minutes getting this pin out of the door. So we just diverted catastrophe. We dropped a brass pin down in the door, took the door off. We still have 5 minutes to spare before the customer shows up. Good timing, good times, good times. Hey, you guys keep watching. This may be like a bonus. Right, Kyle? What? Bonus feature.
Bonus!
Bonus!